Real talk. Management will decide based on what they think is best for the company, not necessarily what is best for you. Tanda mo yan. Halimbawa, may isang vacant position. Tatlo kayong qualified for promotion. Kahit magaling ka, kahit ready ka, isa lang ang pipiliin nila. And most likely, they will choose the person they believe is most qualified, most ready, or most useful for where the company is going. Masakit, no? Kung lalo na kung hindi ikaw napili. Unfair ba yun? Hindi. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, wala kang value. It only means that at that moment, their decision did not favor your direction. Pwede ka nilang sabihan na, we will consider you next time. Pero tandaan mo, consideration is not a guarantee. A company, if you think about it, is just a companion in your journey. Magkasama kayo habang pareho kayo ng direksyon. Pero darating ang panahon na baka iba na ang pupuntahan ng company at iba na rin ang kailangan puntahan ng karir mo. Kapag nangyari yon, kailangan mo makita yung sign. Kasi kung hindi, you will stay too long waiting for something that may never happen. Doon nagsisimula yung bitterness. You don't have to hate the company for that. You don't have to burn bridges, but you also don't have to sacrifice your future just to prove that you are loyal. When your path needs to diverge, find a new companion. Find a new company whose direction align with yours. This is not disloyalty, that is common sense. So keep learning, keep building your value, keep preparing yourself. Kasi pag dumating ang time na kailangan mo nang umalis, dapat ready ka.